So it's Tuesday the 16th of December and I'm back at the Trafford Centre in Manchester. Christmas at Trafford Centre. But you know why I'm here? I'm here to see Snowstorm Gandeys production down there. Come on, let's go. I'm also meeting a friend here. James is coming over from Crewe, so he should be here soon. Tickets, ring this number, big top's there. Let's go get my tickets. So I'm here, 3:15, show doesn't start till 5 o'clock, but because it's Christmas time I thought I'd come early, find somewhere to park, and then I'm not rushing about to enjoy the show. It's a lovely day today. It's cold, but the sun's out, so it looks really nice. Christmas trees. So I'll just go get my tickets so that I'm ready to go in a couple of hours' time. Let's have a look through the window at door first, see what's happening inside. All closed up. Waiting to be blown up. See if there's anybody in box office. So, just got my tickets. Time to go find something to eat now. A picture from this side because it's got snowstorm. Don't know if you can see it. Let's go to other camera. James were on his way and he's here now. We've got us tickets, front row, so we can't wait, can we?
Yeah, it's really exciting.
We saw it last year, but separately. Yeah. So first time together.
Oh, really lovely. So sentimental.
So we're just about to head in there. Oh, that's nice sky. I didn't see that. Lovely. So let's go.
That's not a photo.
A photo and a video. Every time I click that, it's a photo.
Merry Christmas from everybody here at Snowstorm Wish. Don't forget to like and subscribe to It's a Stakesy Thing. Merry Christmas! Hey!
This way, mate.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I will. Cheers.
Also, you are more than welcome to take as many photos and as many videos as you like. Hello, everybody! Girls and boys, you're going to have to join in and enjoy yourself. You may as well. Your money's gone down. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wish, and I am Santa's chief elf. That means every Christmas Eve, I get to ride on the sleigh. Yes! This is my best friend Jingle. Everybody say, hi Jingle! Hi Jingle Man!
Is everything ready, my trusty elves? We have to set off. and we don't want anyone to miss out.
Did I just see Santa pass by? Oh dear, I'm supposed to be on that sleigh. Girls and boys, Santa's left without me.
Christmas Eve
It is not Santa.
in Trentham.
Let's head to Candy Cane Lane.
Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. So this is on the tree. Apple cider and liquor. And I should know 'cause I'm bringing it. See this before I'm getting bored. Out till we go looking for more. Time to do it making it clear. It's gonna be a weather Christmas this year. Super content. Everything is seasons. And Christmas needs a little more rap. Christmas this year.
That was really beautiful. Wait a minute! When you Who's that? Who said that? Jolly! It's Jolly the Christmas elf! What are you doing here?
Well, we've been watching you,
Bit weird.
and we've brought you a big surprise.
Big surprise!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, Santa, I get me down! It's Christmas, am I? What? No, he's only joking, he's joking. That's good, because this little wishes, it could be Christmas every day!
So, just finished that show. Amazing as always. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I think definitely a bit more stronger than the last one. As well.
More circus this time, which we like. So we've got all lights on. We've just been hanging around to try and see people. But looks nice, all lit up at night. It's cold. I'm not smoking.
Just a bit.
But yeah, if you get a chance to come down, it's on till I think 3rd of January. But you won't see this video until after that, so it doesn't really matter. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Well, I'm sure that I do like old towers, but I just feel like the bigger rides.
Hi!
You lot coming in? Might as well have everybody.
Yes!
Go and get the motorway in as well.
I want to do that thing again.